Hey guys, if you've come this far, you're doing awesome. We've got a couple more strategies to have a look at. In this video, we're going to be having a look at the sixes and how it relates to the fives. Let's check it out. I might want to find out 8 groups of 6. 8 groups of 5 would look like. All right, that took ages to draw, and I'm not sure they look like circles, but anyways, let's keep going. I've got 8 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 groups of 5 is equal to 40. Since we want 8 groups of 6, not 8 groups of 5, we've got to add one more to each group. With one more added to each group, we have 8 more. And 8. Giving us a total of 40 plus 8, 48. We know 8 groups of 6 is 48. The way this strategy works is working 8 groups of 5 and calculating that number, and then adding one more to each group. And since we have 8 groups, that's going to be 8, which gives us an answer of 48. We know 8 groups of 6 is 48. Now I'm going to show you how you can use the same strategy, this time without the dots. I might want to find 15 groups of 6. 15 groups of 6. Steps I could follow are, number 1, 15 groups of 5. And if we remember our 5 strategy, we would go 15 groups of 10, which is 150. Halve that, and that would give us 75. 15 groups of 5 would be 75. Second step, take the 75 and we add to that, add 15 because we had 15 groups. It's going to be equal to 90. I did 75 plus 5 to 80. Plus 10 more to 90. Answer 90. And one more example. Find 20 groups of 6. Follow our steps. Step number 1, I'm going to have 20 groups of 5. I could think 20 groups of 10 is 200, and halve that would be 100. And then the second step is 100, and we're going to add 20 to make them groups of 6, not groups of 5. Give us a final answer of 120. 20 groups of 6 is 120. And that's how we can multiply any number by 6 very easily. Have a go at the attached activity, and I'm going to see you in the next video.